This video was long overdue for me, but I finally cracked the code.
Who's gonna help us start a war?
With who?
Everyone.
Let the game begin.
Who's behind this? Who did this to me? Why?
What do you mean, why?
Who is responsible for this?
Can you be? It wasn't you. It wasn't personal. It could have been any asshole with a couple $100 million in the bank.
It is a game. It is only a game.
You're live to the whole world!
Everyone in Society City, designed to receive. I think it, and you do it.
It's a game.
A game.
Specifically tailored for each participant. Think of it as a great vacation. Except you don't go to it. It comes to you.
What kind of vacation?
It's different every time.
After extensive research and on-the-ground experience, I uncovered how the targeting system works. The targeting system is a ruthless military algorithm that runs unchecked on the public, controlling who lives and who dies. While death is the ultimate goal, the algorithm also pushes secondary forms of punishment to the public that is of equal importance to the agenda. Social death. This could mean imprisonment, forced re-education, or even the destruction of a person's reputation and livelihood. In this world, being targeted doesn't mean dying. It can mean being erased from society entirely, which can lead to a gradual decline in mental health, such as emotional symptoms such as persistent depression, sadness or hopelessness, feeling down most of the day, nearly every day, irritability or frustration, feeling agitated or upset over things that wouldn't normally bother you, loss of interest or pleasure, a lack of interest in activities that you once enjoyed, including hobbies, socializing, or even sex, feeling of worthlessness or guilt, an overwhelming sense of self-criticism or feeling like you're not enough, crying spells, crying without a clear reason or for long periods of time, cognitive symptoms such as difficulty concentrating, trouble focusing or making decisions, memory issues, forgetting things or feelings of mental fog, negative thinking, a pervasive sense of doom or doubt about the future, physical symptoms such as fatigue or low energy, feeling exhausted even after adequate rest, sleep disturbances, sleeping too much, hypersomnia, or struggling to fall asleep or stay asleep, insomnia, changes in appetite or weight, either eating too much or losing appetite, which can lead to weight loss or gain, physical aches and pains, unexplained headaches, stomach problems, or other bodily aches without a clear medical cause, behavioral symptoms such as social awkwardness, withdrawal, avoiding friends, family, or social events, reduced performance, a noticeable decline in work or school performance, self-harm or thoughts of death. In some cases, people might have thoughts of harming themselves or even suicide. These secondary micro-inducements are necessary because the accumulation of this leads back to the primary goal, which is death to self or death to others. This murder death kill program is an algorithm game. It is a highly expensive game for the rich and the elites. It is worldwide and it is highly versatile. In the movie Captain America: The Winter Soldier, they revealed the truth about what they planned to do.
What we did not realize was that if you try to take that freedom, they resist. The war taught us much. Humanity needed to surrender its freedom willingly. Hydra created a world so chaotic that humanity is finally ready to sacrifice its freedom to gain its security Once the purification process is complete, Hydra's new world order will arise.
To achieve this goal, they created an algorithm of mass destruction.
We both know what it feels like to have everything taken from us before we're even in the fight. It would have been nice to have a chance, don't you think? You all should get a chance. But this thing that you're building, it puts everyone, the whole world on a battlefield. Nobody gets a chance.
No lawyer, no witnesses. What sort of due process is this?
In real life, we know it as gangstalking, predictive policing, non-investigated subject. In the movie, they called it Zola's algorithm.
Zola's algorithm is a program for choosing insights targets.
What targets?
You, a TV anchor in Cairo, the Undersecretary of Defense, a high school valedictorian in Iowa City, Bruce Banner, Stephen Strange, anyone who's a threat to Hydra. Now, or in the future.
In the future? How could it know?
How could it not? The 21st century is a digital book. Zola taught Hydra how to read it. Your bank records, medical histories, voting patterns, emails, phone calls, your damn SAT scores. Zola's algorithm evaluates people's past to predict their future.
It is a digital book, and understanding what a digital book can do can change everything. An algorithm is the logic, a set of rules that decides what should happen, existing even without a computer, while a program is the execution, the machine carrying out that logic at scale, deciding how fast, how often, and to whom it happens. At its core, the digital world is binary, ones and zeros, structured into symbols, letters, colors, sound, images, and eventually stories through layers of translations that turn code into meaning, emotions, and belief. This is why your program is very visual. It's telling a story. It's telling a sentence, someone that can read, right? Algorithms are not dangerous by intent, but by incentive. When scaled to millions, automated without pause, hidden from view, and optimized for engagement, that is key, for engagement. Instead of truth, they shape attention, attention shapes perception, perception shapes belief, and belief shapes behavior. Algorithms decide what page you see, what gets highlighted, what repeats, what disappears entirely, rewriting the digital book in real time so it's personalized and different for everyone. We think we're choosing what we consume, but in reality, the content is choosing us, because the most powerful systems don't control people directly, they control what people notice. Remember when I said how versatile and global this program is? The truth isn't hidden. It's in plain sight, right in front of entertainment itself. If you study the algorithms behind sports, games, and media, you'll notice it's the same algorithm behind our targeting. That's how adaptable the algorithm really is. Whoever designed it understood one thing: the applications are limitless, control attention, and you can guide behavior, and that's why it's so valuable. Companies don't just buy software, they buy algorithms to optimize, monitor, and control their workforce. The system isn't confined to screens, it runs through everything. If we tried to get the algorithm behind gangstalking, we won't find it anywhere else except for gaming. There has been a leak recently in the new Call of Duty game where someone exposed the abusive algorithm called SBMM. And I believe this is what's being used in our targeting also. As I read to you what SBMM is, one way how you would know is using our targeting is when I read you the functions it do in the game, you can easily replace it and compare it to real life and it would still make sense. SBMM, or skill-based matchmaking, is a system in multiplayer video games that group players of similar skill levels into the same match to create balanced, fair, and competitive environments. Now, that is what they say, right? Same way they say, well, community policing help us fight crime and all this creates order and all that. So, but there's what they tell the public, and it's what people actually experience, right? So it's a controversial feature, often criticized for creating consistently. This is the people that actually experiencing the algorithm, not what is being told. These are the people that actually play it and are in the game. So they say it is often criticized for creating consistently difficult matches and reducing game variety. So it's a controversial feature, often criticized for creating difficult matches, which we can say it creates difficult livelihood, and it also reduces a person's life, right? So these are the main two things, right, that you need to pay attention to: creating difficult matches and reducing game variety. Now, why would you want an algorithm, or why would you even have an algorithm to make things difficult for you and to reduce your experience? Now, this is how it carries over to Gangstalking, because now they can use the same algorithm to make life difficult for you and to reduce your overall experience in life. They call it SBMM. Now,
of the manipulation. I'm tired of feeling like I'm a guinea pig in some sort of huge experiment that is designed to extract as much playtime and as much money as possible from
everyone is being targeted in a way because this algorithm is integrated into society. There's nowhere you can go to be entertained without this program in the forefront.